Hey everyone, I'm Rainbow Runner. This is another rail fanning video. This is Warner Road in Gilbert. We have an eastbound train coming in. Chartreuse Railfanning wanted me to film, do a rail fanning during the day, so here's one. Well, the train is approaching right now from the northeast, or the northwest, excuse me, but heading southeast, or just simply eastbound, but this is a full-on Autorack. And that's the end. Now these signals, the bells keep ringing until the gates are fully raised, as you see. And cantilever signals, they actually have bells out where all four of the gates are. Even the ones in the middle, there's electronic bells. So I believe this is the second train I filmed going eastbound, and the first one I'm filming that was at day. The train is disappearing down there. There's the signal, which is solely a light, just one light that's either green or red, obviously depending if the track is occupied or not. But well, Chartreuse Railfanning, I know you wanted to have me film a rail fanning video at day, so I did it here just for you. Alright, well, I can check Warner Road off my list of rail fannings, things I've done at specific crossings. Not sure what I'll do next. Val Vista is nearby, so maybe I could do that, but alright, well, I'm gonna go home now. So, thank you all for watching. Again, stay tuned for some more content, whatever it might be. And I'll see you next time.